Hi, you mentioned you're facing significant challenges increasing the security and compliance in your software practices. You said your teams are growing, the timelines are super tight. You have to deliver faster, but you have to deliver safely. Can you describe some of these challenges for me, please? Absolutely. I feel like every new application adds to our tech debt. I imagine myself as one of those people in the 80s movies that open their wallet and 50 credit cards fall out when I think about all the things we have to do. Not only that, every new team member, new project, they want to do things differently and do things their own way. And we're not standardizing on anything, and we don't have time to go back and fix things because we're so busy delivering new work. Where do I even start? I understand the challenge here. It's been going on in the software industry for a long, long time. But what have you tried in your organization to address it up to now? Honestly, our architects, they just want more documentation and more analysis. And as it is, I think if we printed out all our standards, it'll rival the Lord of the Rings. No wonder the developers don't read it and we don't have compliance. Then there's our change management team. And their solution, more people and more process because they think that'll drive up compliance. But all that does is increase our costs and slows down delivery. Well, the good news is there is hope. Have you heard of the term voluntary compliance? Voluntary compliance? I'm going to write that down. That sounds amazing. Exactly. Spotify have a great talk on how they've addressed this challenge, and they deliver that using a developer portal, which stems from platform engineering and team topology principles. Now, they've contributed that to the open source community, and we work in that community helping build that capability out and bring it to organizations and enterprises in a consumable and secure way. I'm so relieved. I thought you were going to talk about AI for a second. Well, we have wikis, we have pipelines, we have SharePoint, we have documents. So how is a developer portal different? Imagine your development process is like water flowing down a roof. Water will always find the quickest path down. Now, your developers are similar to that. And you want them to be like that. They want to solve problems quickly and efficiently, and they'll always find the quickest way. So if there's any friction in the process, it's going to find a way around it. That's how you get a leaky roof when it rains, and that's how you get technical debt in your organization. Now, a developer portal, what it does is it automates the work that the developers have to do work. So think about this. If I've got a documentation that tells me about compliance, it's that thick, we automate that process away. So the developers get to work faster, do less documentation. Importantly, they do the things that they're really good at, and they'll love you for it. And happier developers, well, they're more productive, but importantly, they stay at the organization as well. Oh, so less documentation and more automation sounds great, but what exactly do you mean?